Is everything okay?
My husband, sir, my live-in partner, I told him to leave the house. Thank you.
Take the rest of the day off.
Sir, thank you. Sir, I'm very sorry, sir. Hello?
Liza, si Miss Lopez to sa agency. Naalala mo pa ba?
Ay, oo naman po. Hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. Kayo ang nagligtas sa akin dun sa unang amo ko. Ano pong atin?
Chinek ko kasi kanina yung files mo. Paalala ko lang sa iyo na kailangan mo nang i-renew yung working permit mo. Mahirap na at baka mahulit ma-deport ka pa. Huwag mong kakalimutan.
Ala, kamunti ko na makalimutan. O sige, magpaalam na ako sa amo ko. Sige, Miss Lopez, salamat ha.
Mag-ingat ka palagi. Bye!
Bye! Ma'am, tumawag po sa akin yung taga-agency. Pinapaalala lang po sa akin na kailangan ko na daw pong mag-renew ng working visa. Magpaalam po sana ako na mag-uwi sana ako sa Pilipinas kasi doon ko ayusin yun.
Ahas ka rin eh! Taas ng pangarap mo! Sa tingin mo papatulan ka ng asawa ko? Basahan ka lang dito, pwedeng itapon.
Ma'am, wala pong ibig sabihin yan.
Pagbalik ni Shakib dito, sasabihin mo sa kanya na gusto mo nang bumalik ng Pilipinas.
Ma'am, kailangan ko pong trabahong to.
Pumili ka. Ipagtatabuyan kita o aalis ka ng may dangal sa bahay na to.
Hey, Sir will come back today. Will you tell him the truth?
I don't know. I really need this job. My mother texted me that the money I sent yesterday is not enough for every day. For my father's medicine.
Sir, welcome back, sir.
Sir, welcome back.
Puri, tell Esa that I'm home.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Sir, I will tell Miss Jacqueline that you're already here.
No. You say. I want to give this to you. Get it.
What is this, sir?
Get it. My whole trip, I was thinking of you. Can you be my third wife?
What? But sir, I'm not a Muslim.
You have to convert to Islam. You don't like to have a better life? I can give you that. Money is not your problem anymore.
Sir, I need to go home. I need to renew my contract.
Okay, sure. You think my proposal. When you come back, I hope you say yes.